Hello, Scratchers! Today I'll tell you how to make a fun virtual pet in Scratch. So, let's begin. Okay, Scratch, wait, what are we doing? The first thing we should do is name this newly created project, naming it Virtual Pet. After doing that, make a new sprite, pressing paint and deleting this old spider course. Then naming it dog, cat, or whatever pet you are making. I'm going to make a dog for this tutorial. Okay, this is epic. Now let's bring some setup code out. The first thing you want to bring out is a when green flag clicked. And to that you want a go to X and Y. After that you want to show our script. But this is not enough. We need to set up this broadcast system, or start setting it up at least. So get a broadcast set up. After doing that, we can get a when I will save set up to replace the code there. Okay, Scratchers, welcome back to the first section of this tutorial. This section we are going to make our virtual pet. We're going to make it say hello. We're going to have a welcome screen and maybe make it have some food. So the first thing you want to do is click on that dog sprite. Then you want to go to costumes. And name this costume dog. Now it's the part where we make the dog. Now you can do anything, but I'm going to make some ears. This will be cut out. Okay, once you're done with your sprite, either select or round it or press Ctrl A. After that, you want to snap it to the center of the canvas, click off, and go to our code section. Okay, so get a forever loop out there. We want to broadcast game loop. Well, that sounds all really good. Oops. That sounds all very good. Name a game loop. Now, in lots of my bigger games, we will have a start loop, but since this is a small tutorial, we will just have a game loop. Also, in our setup script, how about we set this to a bit bigger? Obviously, I didn't do a body or legs. You can do that in your own free time. Set it to 55. Click that green flag. Yep, that's way better. Well, how about we let it go somewhere over the screen? Let's go over here. Let's get a new go to XY to update our position, because the old go to X and Y is not the right one. If we would have just dragged this on the screen, click that one. Yep, it is working. Go to backdrops and let's make it a new backdrop. I'm going to choose one. Let's go blue sky. Delete this old backdrop as well and click back into the code and click back in our dog sprite. How about we ask it for something? How about when I will save set up? So to do that, we need to duplicate this, put it there, and then this old one can go back to this code. When our seed set up, we want to ask, hello there. I am hungry. Okay. After that, make a new variable. Make sure to delete that old my variable. Naming it activity. I put an put a question mark so we can easily read that. And that would be for all sprites. And press OK, no cloud variable. Drag this somewhere over there just to see if it works. The first thing you want to do is set activity to pick random. How many activities do you want? If you want 3, you can do 1 to 3. If you want 10, you can do 1 to 10. It's your choice. Let's get, since the maximum is 3. So so if this is 3, you want 3 if statements. If this is 10, you want 10 if statements. That's how it works. So I'm going to get 3 if statements. And make sure this is after the not after. In it. So if, get a equal operator and put them in for all of the if statements. 1 second as I do this. After that, in the left side of this, we want our activity variable. And then, in the right side, we want 1. And every number up to this. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, connect that in. Put the ask you hungry in our first activity. But if it's 2, now we'll go hello there. Hello there. I am thirsty. And then we can duplicate that one. And for activity 3, I will do hello there. Hello there. I am sleepy. Let's test that out. Hello there. I am sleepy. Do that again. Hello there. I am hungry. And now maybe, let's go down to our when I receive setup script. We want to, how about we broadcast a new message, calling it, result. Call it result. Okay, that sounds all pretty good. Let's do that for all of these. Let's do it for all of these. After that, we want to get a when I'll see result out. When I'll see result, what do we want to do? The first thing we want to do. Well, we can duplicate this and put it in here. This seems pretty good. I mean, not that. We're going to get a new if statement out. And we want to check. If our answer equals, okay, how about we do this then? So if 1 equals, okay, all we want to do now is just get these cleared out of the way. We'll not be using them. So if it is result, then what should we do? Well, if we're hungry, then we should get it to feed itself. We should get a biscuit. So if activity equals 1, let's make a new sprite, naming it a biscuit. Okay. After that, not biscuit, biscuit. After that, let's get our biscuit out here. And we can do here. And make sure that is no outline. For now, you can add much more detail, but I'm just going to make it a yellow circle. And then make it a bit smaller. In our canvas, not our screen. How about we go back to our dog spot? Make sure that's a separate spot. If activity equals 1, then let's broadcast a new message. Name it food. Oh, I keep forgetting that. Food with an exclamation mark. Okay, maybe not. Press OK. Go to your biscuit spot. Before we do anything else, let's have some setup code. When green flag clicked, go there. But we'll hide this one. But when I will see food we show, we want to go to, yes, mouse pointer. Okay. Well. After we go to our mouse pointer, we want to wait. How long should it eat the food for? Let's go 4. Before we hide this, before we hide it again. Okay. Well. Say okay. Let's see. Oh, one. Go to our dog spot. Okay. After that, we should make a new variable named hunger. Name it hunger. So we can actually see when it is hungry. Put that somewhere over here. Make it for all the things, sleepy and all the others. Now we want to set, when our green flag is clicked, set hungry to the maximum. Set it to, let's go 50 because it starts off hungry, possibly. And then when I see food, we want to set hunger to 100 when we get fed. Okay. When we get fed. We get set hunger to 100. Do that for all the other moods you want to do. All you need is to duplicate this, put it for broadcast. Firstly, broadcast sleepy, and do the exact same thing with new spot. Well, that sounds pretty good. Let's make some background music to bring out the vibe a bit in our game. When green flag clicked, forever loop, get to those sound variables, search for a sound. Let's do Bododusa. Make it a bit louder. Hide this one. We want to start play sound until done. Put it in here. Yeah, I definitely like that. Well. The only thing that I'm seeing here is this hunger thing is in the way. And that our activity variable is still shown. No worries, let's hide that. And put the hunger up here. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. There it is, I think. Yep, it is good. That is perfect. You would have to do that for all the other spots, so I'm going to leave that up to you. Okay, scratches. That will be the end of this tutorial. Go check out my other tutorials in the link in the descriptions, or they'll be in the cards right now. Okay, scratches, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, as if you subscribe, then I post way better content with your support. Okay, scratches, goodbye, scratches.